A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Thursday's trading action at Dalal Street dated April 21st, 2022. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trading session was that Nifty snapped its 5-day losing streak and most importantly closed just a tad lower from its 200 DMA at 17,177 mark. Helping optimism was the fact that India VIX, which measures the expected volatility in the market, has slipped to 18.67. Reliance Industries was star outperformer in yesterday's trade, which was seen flirting with its all-time high at 2,751 mark. This Thursday morning, in early action, SGX Nifty is seen clinging to modest recovery gains on backdrop of 10-year US Treasury yields, which fell to 2.88%. The 10-year rate had touched 2.94%, its highest level since 2018. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests the biggest headwind for the Wall Street continues to be inflation and its potential to drag on economic growth. Amongst big scary headlines this morning is that Delhi logs 1009 new COVID cases, makes face masks must again in public. Ukraine is also unsettling markets. Reports suggest a renewed push into the front established by Ukrainian soldiers early last month that could make a worrying escalation of the nearly 2-month-long conflict. Technically speaking, aggressive buying advised only above Nifty 17,324 mark. Now before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty current market price 17,137, buy between 17,000 to 17,050 zone, strict stop at 16,759. Targets at 17,324 and then at 17,501. Aggressive targets at 17,607. Bank Nifty 36,314. Sell between 36,800 to 36,900 zone. Strict stop at 38,089. Targets 36,221 and then at 35,499. Aggressive targets at 34,727. Outlook for Thursday: a volatile session likely. Commanding attention will be Q4 earnings to trickle in today. HCL Technologies, Nestle India, ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company, L&T Technology Services LTTS, Tata Communications, CRISIL, Cient, Reliance India, Sasken Technologies. Our chart of the day is bullish on Hindalco, Tata Motors and SRF with inter-month perspective. Technically speaking, Nifty support seen only at 16,597 mark. To regain momentum and from a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape will improve considerably only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 17,324 mark. Interweek hurdles at 17,623 mark. Bank Nifty confirmation of strength on Bank Nifty only above 37,125 mark. The Nifty options data for April series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 18,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 18,000 followed by 17,500 strike price. So the 18,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 17,000 levels followed by 16,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,400 and then at 17,200 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,000 and then at 17,100 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 37,000 strike price, while maximum put open interest at 36,000 strike price. In yesterday's trade, FIS sold shares worth rupees 3,009 crores, while DIS bought shares worth rupees 2,646 crores. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.